Hello, hi, welcome to Mkosa Samzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. The nice Zimba Libya actor Lapana Good Generations has reportedly lost custody of her two daughters to her ex-husband Jacob Kesana. The Johannesburg High Court ruled in favor of Jacob, allowing him to take their children back to Germany with him Kesana, and we are trend, or we know that they were fighting for a custody yabantwana, and it seems like the guy won Kesana. He's taking the kids with him uyohlala nabo eGermany, so udenies lost the custody yabantwana bakhe laba yethu bemantombazane, and people are really feeling sorry for uDenise, because people are saying ukuthi Nkosi yami make nguyile kumele ahlale nebantwana or not indoda, because make like uyathi ukuthi bantwana wakhe kufuna banakekele njani, akufuna inteni, kufuna atabalaze njani, and with the men amadodana amaningi akakhoni ukukwenda lokho, so uthola indoda seyine mfati se-step mara sebantwana sihluphethe abantwana. Of course that's not always the case, but njalo we know ukuthi at the end sobafati abaningi, that's why bathanda ukuthi ihlalela nebantu abako. But lokubuhlungu ngaDenise ukuthi she has lost the custody yabantu abakhe lapha yethu, and people are saying ukuthi Nkosi yami kwaze kwabuhlungu kuye. Sithi love and light to you, Mogel. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you next time. Goodbye.